The U.S. House of Representatives has passed a $4.5 billion emergency aid package for detained migrant families and unaccompanied children who have crossed the U.S. Mexico border. It passed after House Speaker Nancy Pelosi quelled a mini-revolt by progressives and Hispanic lawmakers who sought significant changes to the legislation. Both House and Senate bills ensure funding could not be shifted to Trump's border wall. They would also block information on sponsors of immigrant children from being used to deport them.